Hey everyone, if you are using the Coinbase app and have forgotten about the password of the Coinbase app, then don't worry because in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the Coinbase password. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, tap onto the three dot lines at the top left corner just right here. Then tap onto Profile and Settings. Now scroll down and here you can find the option of Change Security Settings. Now open it. Now here you can find this kind of option on your home screen. Now here you can find the password option right here. Now to change it, simply tap on to Update. Now here you can find the 6-digit code will be sent to your phone number which you have added. Now add the code number and after that, and now you can see you can change your password. Now add the new password and confirm it. And that's it. This is how you can change the Coinbase password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.